It's gravy time. Key component to any good Thanksgiving meal.
Gotta get your gravy right.
So much drip.
I'm so serious about this.
Yo, step your game up, because if it's wrong, you're not welcome. What do we do first?
To make the gravy, you start with some drippings from the turkey.
So we skimmed off some fat right here.
Yes, and these are already infused with some of that magical butter that we injected that turkey with.
Ooh, butter, baby.
So the drippings go in the pan.
Mama mia.
Little
Slide your
fizz.
little flour?
Yep.
Great.
And you're just gonna start whisking.
So you're making a roux, essentially. If you don't know what a roux is, that's what Google is for. I would put gravy on anything.
What would you put gravy on?
I'll put it on a pizza. I'll put it on pasta, like an Alfredo sauce. Why don't they make pasta gravy? Like fettuccine Alfredo, but with gravy.
That's such a good idea.
How good would that idea be, right? And then like a stroganoff, like a turkey stroganoff, but instead of like a cream base, you're making a gravy base. This looks great. Can I hit you with a little salt and pepper?
For sure.
CBD salt? This is great too because it's infused, but you have full control over how much or how little you want to add to your meal.
That's right.
So with some CBD salt, balance you back out. And if you really want to go for broke, add a lot more gravy. Can I dip a toe?
How's that Flavor Flav?
It's very good.
Yeah?
It needs salt, it needs pepper.
Okay, let's salt and pepper it up.
It's so important to taste as you go because what you're putting in your mouth is what other people are going to put in their mouth. So you want to know what their mouth is going to be because that's being a good cook. You know what we need?
What?
Our gold gravy fountain. Bum 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 bum.
Dum, bum, 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 bum. Yes! The dankest giving ever. It's wavy gravy.
It is wavy gravy. You want to make a wish to the gravy fountain?
I do.
Oh, do you want to say them out loud so they actually come true? Because I believe if you keep it inside, then it's not going to come true because nobody knows what you want in life.
Okay, you have to say your wish out loud when you wish on a gravy fountain.
Truth.
New rule.
New rule.
Okay.
Okay, what is your wish?
I wish for everyone to sit down together for the best Thanksgiving ever.
So I just want to say thank you all for having us to this beautiful Thanksgiving meal where everything is infused. Shout out to Magical Butter, shout out to Mary Jane Gibson, shout out to this crew here. Cheers everybody, thank you so much.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.